General Knowledge, lesson number 1, Unusual Flowers. Before starting the lesson, let me ask you a question. What do you mean by unusual? Unusual is nothing but not expected or not normal. You can also say it is interesting because it is different. So, in this lesson we are going to see some unusual flowers. Unusual means very rare. So, the worst smelling flower in the world. So children, you have seen many flowers like rose, lily, lotus. Whenever you see them, you don't give any reaction. But when you see a different color of rose or different color of any flower, how you feel? Wow, what a flower it is. You feel very interesting to know about what that flower is. So this lesson is mainly about that type of flowers which are very rare in the world. First one is the worst smelling flower in the world. You know, flower has many good fragrance, but this is the only flower which gives you bad odor. Bad odor means bad smell. So, the worst smelling flower in the world is corpse flower. Corpse is nothing but a human dead body. When a human dead body gets rotten, it gives a bad smell. So, this flower gives the smell of rotten dead body. That name is called as corpse flower. Moving on to the next question. Largest flower in the world. You might have seen many flowers, but this is the largest flower in the world. The name is Rafflesia. It is mainly found in Indonesia. This flower does not have root and stem. Normally what you see, a plant has stem, leaves, flowers, fruits. But this flower, it is a only flower which does not have stem and root. Next one is, it blooms from a cactus every year. I hope you have seen cactus. It is a thorny plant, but from that plant only one single flower grows. The name of that flower is night blooming cereus. What is that? Night blooming cereus. So this is the only flower which blooms once in a year, that too in a night. This flower is from cactus. Fourth one is, it is a carnivorous flowers. You know what do you mean by herbivores, carnivores and omnivores, right? So in a plant, this flower is a carnivorous. That means whenever an insect or anything come and sits on the inner lining of that flower, it traps that insect inside it and absorbs all its nutrients from the insects. The name of that flower is Venus flytrap. Carnivores is nothing but which eats flesh of the other animal. Here the flower is eating or taking the nutrients from the insects which is coming and sitting over its inner surface. This flower is also known as Rattlesnake master, sea horn, spiny cilantro and Miss Wilmot's ghost. So this flower, it is describing about the flower. Sea holly. Sea holly is also known as rattlesnake master, sea horn, spiny cilantro and Miss Wilmot's ghost. Which is this flower? Sea holly. It is an ornamental flower which is kept in garden or at homes.
Here are the pictures of unusual flowers. The first one is corpse flower. You can see how beautiful the flower is. It is funnel shaped. But this flower has the worst smell in the world. The smell of rotten dead body. Next one is largest flower of the world, that is Rafflesia. As I have already told, this flower does not have stem and root. So this flower directly grows on the ground and you can see how big the flower is. Next one is, it blooms from a cactus every year. That is night blooming cereus. This flower is grown from the cactus and it blooms only once a year, that too in a night. That is why this flower is night blooming cereus, and the color may come in different colors, that is pink, red or white. So this picture has white color. Next one is the carnivorous flower, that is Venus flytrap. You can see in the image when the insects come and sit over its inner surface how the Venus flytrap traps the insect inside and absorbs its nutrients. Next one is sea holly. You can see how beautiful the picture is and how beautiful the flower is. This flower is used as an ornamental flower and kept in gardens or at the home. So here are the pictures of some unusual flowers.
I hope you have understood about the lesson number 1, unusual flowers. Thank you everyone.